Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. Open the Pixel Lab. Select the T-shirt. Remove the background. Select the erase color. Select the color filter. Select the two mask. Duplicate the shape. Then select the sticker. Change the background color. The color filter. Adjust the color of shell. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.